Okay, so we're back at Howard's job. If you remember 2 weeks ago, we really went to town on this lawn and scalped the living daylights out of it. Well, as you can see behind me, we're looking a lot better. The seed has come through. Not so much in that far corner as always because that's in the shade a lot more. But to find out more, let's go and have a look up close. Okay, so just walking over. You can see all the shoots are coming through. Fantastic. It's just been raining every day since we did this job, so we're a bit behind in terms of where it would normally be, but next week this lawn is really going to pick up, especially with what we do to it today. But over in this corner, as always, it's in the shade, doesn't see much sun, so we're a little bit behind here, but we can see, if you look up close, there's just bits of shoots coming through. Try and find one that's actually come through. There, you see it? That one there. So there's plenty of that. But what we'll do today is we'll just cut this and push and pull the mower. I don't really want to turn. It's a little bit damp due to the heavy rain that we've had over the last couple of days and just over the last 2 weeks generally. But he's done me a favour, because since I've actually kind of done this project, I know I watered it on the day, but since then I've not actually had to water it, which is good for me. Whereas this time last year, it was my full-time job, that, just watering. So this year's been a lot better in that respect. So what we'll do is we'll get the rotary out, we'll give it a cut, and then we'll get some products on, and then we'll go and have a look at the front and see how that is doing, because that is 3 weeks old now. So we'll see how we're getting on. It might actually be 4, I just can't remember the dates when we did that, but it's certainly a bit further ahead than this one. Okay, so first up with the hater, just pushing and pulling. Because I don't have the Bosch Rotac here anymore, we have to use the hater, and because it's heavy, I don't want to be turning, so I'm just pushing and pulling, and this is a problem because it's not leaving me any guidelines for my sprayer. So what I've done is I've just mixed up double the amount of water for the products, and I'm just going to go left to right, and I've got Dan's Magic, Stella, Grace, Orbit, Slow Grow and Sopro in the tank at this stage, and this is going to get that seed off to a great start, as you'll see in the front coming up. Let's go to the front. 22nd of April, we did the renovations. We scalped it with the Kensington, verified it, seeded it, top dressed it with the field compost number 4. And then we came a couple of weeks later and we put some Equilibria on, and the product's the same as what you've just seen in the previous back garden. And look at it today, 20th of May, looking absolutely fantastic. I say it's rained, but it's done us a favour because that feed has really washed in and come good. It's a little bit lush, but that's just because of all this weather. But hopefully next week when the sun comes out, it's going to dry that up a little bit, and that Orbit can just start to toughen up that plant. So just going over with the cylinder mower now, just to polish those tips up. Not cut this for 6 days, so it's a little longer than I'd like, but if you cut with the rotary first and then with the cylinder, if you've got one, it helps just polish those tips so you don't get a white hue over the surface. And look at that, absolutely beautiful. If you wait a minute, I think the sun comes out, but before that we'll have a walk over. Look at that. So we're about 3 weeks behind at this point, but if we can carry on this good work in another couple of weeks, it's going to be absolutely banging. So what we've done is we've just put another set of liquids on, put some Slow Grow in there just to regulate that growth a little bit, as well as Summer Secret, and we'll get that watered in. And look at that, the sun came out for us, looking absolutely fantastic. So I think what we'll do is, next visit, we'll get some Galactic on, and then we'll film as we cut it after next week's heat. So what we'll do is we'll head over to Galactic Project and look at this. So we scarify this, nothing changes, we do everything the same, scarify, verify, seed, overseed, and then we came back, put liquids on, Equilibria on, and look at it today, absolutely beautiful. There's a few bits of yellow patches which we had last year, and I think this is leather jacket damage, because I came a couple of weeks ago and I just stood near the hedge and I actually saw a leather jacket coming out of its case and flying off. So I think we've got leather jackets on this lawn, but they should begin to hatch soon and not cause problems. I'm hoping these yellow patches go away, because if they don't, we're in trouble. But so far so good. On with the cylinder now, just polishing off those tips again. And look at this, absolutely beautiful. Just go up and down, left to right, just to get that better cut. So looking forward to this year. Hopefully get some nice lawns. because I've missed cutting. Normally this time of year I'm up and running, but I don't feel like I've actually started yet. And yeah, those edges are a bit messy, but we can sort those out, and I'll do that later in the video. But we'll see the other side. So a couple of weeks ago, we did the top dressing, we scalped it, scarified it, verified it, seeded it, top dressed it, wetted agent, you name it, we did it. Worked hard, and look at it today. It's come through nice, so we're going to give it a double stripe cut because we can do that here. It's very firm. Then we've got some guidelines for our products, and as always, we'll go on and we'll spray Dan's Magic, Slow Grow, SoPro, Orbit, Stellar and Grace, and we'll let the rain wash that in. Let's just trim those edges off because they were a bit messy, so that's easily done. Give it a spray with what's left on the other side. Just help things along, and look at that up close. Absolutely beautiful. So, see you next time here on Daniel Hibbert Lawn Expert, when we'll be doing something else lawn related. Bye for now.